Hello everyone. Today I will explain you about the type of pollutants. So as we know that there are different type of pollutants: physical pollutants, chemical pollutants, biological, biodegradable, non-biodegradable, man-made, natural. So one by one I will explain with examples and a classification of pollutant. So first of all you should know what is a pollutant. So simply we can say that pollutant, any agent, any substance which cause pollution, simply that is the pollutant. Now the classification of pollutants. So we have different criterias on what basis we can classify pollutants. So first, as per the first classification, based on the state, pollutant may be physical, pollutant may be chemical, or pollutant may be biological. Here we have some examples of physical pollutants: radiation, harmful radiation, for example X-ray, gamma rays, noise, color in water, odor. All these are the examples of physical pollutants. Chemical pollutants, heavy metals, or we can say that toxic metals: mercury, arsenic, cadmium, lead. All are the examples of heavy metals or toxic metals considered as pollutants. Pesticides, different solvents, all are the example of chemical pollutants. Now the biological. Here we have some examples of biological pollutants: bacteria, which are infectious, so considered as pollutant. If bacteria is present in your food stuff, drinking water, then bacteria cause different type of disease and considered as pollutant. Virus, spores, protozoa, है ना? Now according to the next classification, pollutants may be solid, pollutants may be liquid in state, or pollutants may be gaseous. Now we have different example for solid pollutants: dust, spores, soot particle. Soot particle means the carbon particle, unburnt carbon particle that is present in smoke, that is called soot particle. Liquid, solvents, fumes, acids, corrosive substances, components are the examples of liquid pollutants. Gaseous pollutants, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, ozone, and other gaseous components are the examples of gaseous pollutants. Now, as per the next classification, pollutants may be natural. Based on the origin, pollutants may be natural. For example, dust, pollen grains, bacteria, virus, protozoa, all are originated naturally. So these are the examples of natural pollutants. Man-made pollutants, as we know that all the synthetic chemicals are man-made and are considered as man-made pollutants. Now as per the fourth classification, this is very important, remember this: pollutants may be primary or pollutants may be secondary. So try to understand this concept. What are primary and secondary pollutants? Primary pollutants are those pollutants which cause directly pollution after releasing to the environment, cause directly in as such condition. Suppose we have burned some waste and different gaseous component enters to the atmosphere. Then the components which enters to the atmosphere directly after burning are considered as primary pollutants. For example, carbon monoxide, oxide of sulfur dioxide, methane. But on the other hand, secondary pollutants are those pollutants which are not directly present in the environment but form after the primary pollutants or after the reaction of two different primary pollutants. So I have here one example, try to understand. First of all, examples of secondary pollutants are ozone gas in troposphere, not in stratosphere. In stratosphere, ozone is not considered as pollutant, but if ozone is present in troposphere, then it is considered as pollutant. ozone, acid rain, that is H2SO4, PAN, peroxide, acetyl nitrate. All these are the example of secondary pollutants. Now try to understand this. Suppose this A component is primary pollutant and this A component reacts with B component or B pollutant. When two pollutants react with each other and forms a third component, then this third component or pollutant is called as secondary pollutant. है ना? Here we have example. When hydrocarbon present in air reacts with oxides of nitrogen, है ना? तो hydrocarbon when reacts with oxides of nitrogen, there is the formation of PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Now this peroxyacetyl nitrate is the example of secondary pollutant. Now, as per the last classification, pollutants may be biodegradable or pollutants may be non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means which can be easily degraded by the environmental microorganisms, bacteria or some environmental processes. Life. These such are examples are fat, oil, salts of nitrogen and phosphorus, carbohydrate, proteinous components, all are biodegradable in nature. Domestic sewage, the components which are generally present in domestic sewage are considered as biodegradable pollutants. Now next is the non-biodegradable pollutants. Non-biodegradable pollutants, here we have some examples. So generally pesticides, है ना, DDT, एल्ड्रिन, फ्यूरान, dioxins, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, such type of compounds are non-biodegradable in environment and are the example of non-biodegradable pollutants. So this is all about the today's topic, types of the pollutants. Thank you.